What are these bugs? There are thousands on my green beans and okra plants. I've been using Dawn and water, but they keep coming back. They have started freaking me out. They don't bite, but they are getting all over me when trying to pick my vegetables. And this is Betty from Jonesboro, Arkansas. Hi, Miss Betty. I looked at this book as well. Kudzu bugs.
Kudzu bug, yeah.
Kudzu bugs.
Yeah.
You know, of course, they like legumes.
Legume plant,
She did say green beans.
Okra and all that, yeah.
Yeah, soybean.
Soybean,
bean.
yeah. In there, so yeah, what does it like on that plant there?
That's what it looked like to me. And I tell you what, this time of the year, guess what they're looking to do? Overwinter inside.
Inside, yeah.
Right. So any cracks and crevices you have in your house, they're gonna be looking to come in to hang out for the
winter, yeah.
Right. So, but as far as controlling them, if you can knock them into a dish, of some soapy water, warm soapy water, you can do that. That's the organic means to doing it. Just knock them in that dish, that way. But if you want to use, some of your chemicals, I mean, there are some that are out there. Anything that contains bifenthrin will work. Permethrin will work as well, and cyfluthrin is another one that you can use. But read the label on those. I don't know if I would use those necessarily. I would probably go the route of just knocking them off.
Knock them off,
for the most
They're
part.
kind of big looking, weren't they?
Yeah, they're pretty good size.
Nice
No wonder it freaked her out. That was not me either.
Yeah, they're pretty good size. But yeah, I've seen them, cover a side of a house, in the wintertime, because they're trying to get in. Of course they're looking where the sun is, so they can warm up a little bit. But yeah, that's why they're looking to get inside.
Get inside, yeah.
Yeah, so they can overwinter. Where it's nice and comfortable.
Nice,
nice
and warm. Yeah.
That's why I want to overwinter. Yeah. But anything else you want to add to that?
No, that's about it there. That we're trying to over in the winter time, get into your house and everything, so like that.
Right.
So they want to find a warm place.
Right. And the thing about the kudzu bug is, we used to see them in agronomic crops in soybean fields.
Yeah, soybean
So now they're coming over to the home garden.
Okay.
And again, they like, anything in the legume family. If they just get rid of kudzu, we'd be fine.
Yeah.
They are kudzu bugs. They're not eating enough kudzu. There's plenty of that stuff going on.
A lot of times farmers spraying their crops and everything, trying to move away, so that's what they're doing there.
Right. So they're moving over, vegetable gardens, home gardens and things like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.